Hey, what's up everybody? I am following up on a video that I made 2 months ago about using a Blue Yeti on an iPad Pro. So that setup is a little bit limited because you do need power through on the iPad in order to use that external microphone. So Rode makes a portable microphone that's designed to use with DSLRs, and with an adapter you can use this with an iPhone. It's this cable right here. You will need it if you want to use it with an iPhone or iPad. Now with the iPad Pro, because there is no headphone jack, you have to use a different kind of adapter, and that is a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack and a separate input for the microphone. And again, this came with a lot of trial and error. When I bought my first attempt was using this guy right here, a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack, and this will work with the Rode mic and with using the patch cable. But what I quickly realized is I cannot monitor myself when I'm recording, and that's a big problem because I need to know how I sound. And at first I thought, I know, I'll use my Bluetooth headset. In this case, I'm using the Powerbeats Pro. But unfortunately, if you connect this to the iPad and you connect the microphone, it will use the microphone that's on the headset instead. So unfortunately, there is no way to monitor yourself wirelessly. You have to use this adapter. It's $10 on Amazon, and I'll make sure to put it in the description below. And what this does is it gives you two separate inputs. And that is the only way that you can go into, let's say, GarageBand and record yourself on the microphone and listen to yourself at the same time. I will demonstrate this for you right now. So we should be live. I'm now using the audio from the Rode mic. I have the microphone plugged into the pink input and then the headphones into the black input, and I can hear myself right now talk, which is really nice. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm using Shure in-ear monitors 315. Got discontinued, but these are really good. But yeah, for those wondering, this is how you do it. You have to use this adapter. I originally bought this guy, and then I got a 3.5 splitter, like a Y cable, but it did not work. It would not let me use the Rode mic. So unfortunately right now, this is the only way you can record off an iPad using a microphone and listen to yourself at the same time. And I hope this helps for those people that have a setup like this currently, and they're just looking to use a microphone on the iPad Pro. I really wish Apple would have given us a headphone jack and given us a couple of USB-C ports, because right now I'm not able to charge my iPad, right? I'm not able to plug in my SD card reader, right? I can only do one thing at a time. So hopefully Apple, with the new iPad Pro, or maybe in the future, will provide us with more than just one USB-C device, because I really do love this setup. It's way more portable and way more versatile than a MacBook Pro. But of course, it has its limitations as well. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if I missed anything or if you need any clarification on any of this. Thank you.